1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 22. I have many a happy memory of the time of my youth on the farm. Full stop. I saw the buyer for a minute at the hotel, but he had to hurry away. Full stop. Usually, we ship the oil to you by boat, comma, but if you are in a hurry, it can go by road. Full stop. Write and ask them if they charge a higher rate for heavy oil. Full stop. They hope to have the bill of lading in the mail today. Full stop. I know Hugh Riley, and I think he will reach a high rank in the army. Full stop. We hope you will enjoy the voyage, and we hope to see you when you get back. Full stop.